Hi everyone, I'm Rushi and today we're going to be going through what is accounting and the role and purpose of accounting. So hopefully by the end of this video you will be able to understand what accounting is and what is the purpose of it and how it works for real world businesses and understanding how accountants make decisions for businesses to run smoothly. Okay, so let's start with something interesting. A business might look successful from the outside. It may have a lot of customers, a lot of sales, but that doesn't always mean that it's actually making money. So without accounting, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference between a successful business and the one that's slowly failing. So that's why accountants matter, and it tells a real story about the business, painting the entire picture. So let's start with the most basic question. What is accounting? What actually is it? So accounting is the process of recording, organizing, and analyzing financial information. So this means tracking things like sales and expenses, putting them into categories, and then using that information to understand how the business is performing. So it's not just maths, but it's about understanding, making decisions for a particular business at a particular point in time. Okay, so there are three main functions of accounting. The first is recording. So this is where every transaction, like a sale or an expense, is tracked. And then secondly, it's organizing. So this is where all that information from recording is grouped into categories so it makes sense for the decision makers of the business. And then lastly is analyzing. So this is where we actually look at the data and the figures and figure out how the business is performing. So the basic purpose of accounting is it can be broken down into three key areas. So the first is that it helps track financial performance, basically whether a business is making a profit or a loss. Secondly, it supports decision making, so like whether to expand, cut costs, or change strategies that the business is currently employing. And lastly, it helps communicate information to others, so the stakeholders of the business. Okay, so in the last slide, I mentioned the word stakeholders. So who are actually stakeholders of a business? So these are people who use the accounting information. These include business owners, investors, banks, and sometimes even the government. So all these groups rely on accountants to make important decisions and the data and the figures that the accountants provide. Now let's have a look at this real world example. Imagine a coffee shop that makes $5,000 in sales and $4,500 in expenses. At first, this seems pretty good, right? Because they're making more sales than expenses. But what if the business also has $10,000 in debt and barely any cash left? Suddenly, it doesn't look that successful anymore. So this is exactly why accounting is important, because it shows you the full picture, not just the surface idea. A lot of people misunderstand what makes a business successful, and this is where accounting becomes really important. So the first common misconception is that sales equals profit. Just because a business makes a lot of sales doesn't mean that it's earning money. If the expenses like rent, wages, and supplies are higher than the sales the business is making, the business is actually losing money. Another misconception is that more revenue means success. Revenue is just the total money coming into the business, but it doesn't tell you anything about costs. So a business could double its revenue, but also double its expenses, meaning that there's no real improvement in the business. People also often think that cash and profit are the same thing, but they're not. A business can be profitable on paper, but still run out of cash money if money is tied up in things like unpaid invoices or stock. So what does this all mean? It means that you can never judge a business by just looking at how much money it makes. You need to look at accounting deeper at expenses, profit, and cash flow to understand the full picture of the business. Accounting plays an important role in almost every part of a business. It supports finance, management, and daily operations. In fact, almost every business decisions rely on accounting information in some way. Let's quickly check your understanding. Think about these questions and have a go at answering them. So to summarize, accounting is about recording, organizing, and analyzing financial data. So it helps business track performance, make decisions, and communicate information. Basically, it helps businesses understand what's really going on. So the next time you see a business making a lot of money, don't assume that it's successful. Instead, ask yourself, are they actually profitable? That's the power of accounting.